Sermon number 76. Preaching and counseling. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Allah may bless him who listens to a point of wisdom and retains it. When he is invited to the right path, he approaches it. He follows a leader, by catching his waistband, and finds salvation, keeps Allah before his eyes and fears his sins, performs actions sincerely and acts virtuously, earns treasure of heavenly rewards, avoids vice, aims at good objectives and reaps recompense, faces his desires and rejects fake hopes, makes endurance the means to his salvation, and piety the provision for his death, rides on the path of honor and sticks to the highway of truth, makes good use of his time and hastens towards the end and takes with him the provision of good actions.